What's going on, family? I'm just gonna kind of check this out. And, see what we got going on today, man. I got some stocks you can probably check out on your own. So we're gonna start off with Coke. This is one that I like. That you might want to do your own research. Long term, of course. You can see this chart is kinda a little overextended, but we're doing some pulling back right now. So they reached all the way up to 961. So a good buy zone for me would be around six to 700. Anywhere in this zone would be a good buy for me. Do your research on this one, but I do think for longevity, this could be a good potential stock to watch. Another small cap stock that I'm watching actually is going to be this one. We're way overextended, so a good buy range for me would be about 70 bucks, 70 to 75 bucks, somewhere in this zone. Well, it looks like we're doing some pulling back right now at this moment. So this is one you definitely got to look into on your research, man. This is a banger, and I think they're going to do well this year in particular. So check this one out, man. I'm just looking for buying opportunities, man. On some of these small caps, some medium cap companies, and obviously the long time bangers. But here we go, another one. You definitely got to check this one out as well. It's way overextended, but it looks like the volume is increasing, so this thing could continue to run. I'm thinking maybe 400 or 500 bucks if this thing continues to run. But we just gotta see what the price action reveals to us. So buy zone for me somewhere in this zone is another one you want to take a look at, man. It's definitely something you want to check out. But yeah, they're a little overextended, but I think a lot of these stocks, man, I'm waiting for the big dog to do his thing. I'm waiting for Tesla to do his thing. So you can see we're kind of in this downtrend, more like a range, should I say, but we're just kind of chopping around sideways at this moment. So we're back at the price of, this was back in 2021. So we're at the same price we were in 2021, 3 years later. So this is a good opportunity for people to get in. Once this thing does come back and retest the highs, people are going to wish they got in on this. So do your own research. Once again, not financial advice, but check these out, man. Then we got Reddit. Has a lot of hype about it. So they just came out maybe I think a week ago. So it's the second week. So you can see big engulfing candle. We might get a strong pop up, but there's no telling what this stock is going to do in the short term. So this is just a trade. I don't know what Reddit's going to do. There's not enough information for it to do well long term yet. So, but this would be a good trade. This thing could run up to about 70 bucks, 70, 80 bucks, and then drop down. But right now we're just kind of basing, and we're looking like an engulfing candle. So I would expect the hype will push this thing up maybe another 20 bucks, 20, 30 bucks, maybe even 100 bucks. I don't know, but if you're trading this, be careful trading it. It's a lot of volume on there. So just be careful trading it. So market opens in about 3 minutes. So as you can see, excuse me, in the pre-market, We just kind of pushed up again. This market is just super volatile. So anybody who is trying to short this thing, people are still trying to short it. I'm sure, you know, because it just seems unreal how this thing is just keep pushing up. So we're up a little bit in the pre-market, you know. Yep, so we pushed up a little bit in the pre-market, so hopefully it doesn't turn into another range day, but eventually I'm expecting a retest of the highs, you know. This is on the Qs, and then we got the S&P. S&P, same exact thing, you know. We've just consolidated, and this is a controlled selling on down. Now we just pushed up in the overnight, so I'm expecting a retest and push back up to the highs. I mean, there's not much other than looking for buying opportunities at this point. The market is refusing to correct, so we might just have a run up and then a huge correction in the next quarter. But right now I'm just looking for opportunities, you know, in this market. So that's all I got for y'all today. The market will open, but just check these out, put these on your radar, and I'll see you guys definitely in the next one. But keep your eye on these, you know.